Hi everyone, this is John, and I want to talk about our alphabet. It's a strange thing, ain't it? It starts with alpha, and then it's bet. So, and I have it in red because you should bet on red, right? So anyhow, I think it's interesting because alpha, alpha means like the leader. It's also a plant, and then we have when you add this three-letter word onto it, it becomes alphabet. And it's what, one, two, three, four, 5 letters, and then it's one, two, 3 letters. I find that very intriguing. 5, 3. 5 to the 3. Quite interesting. But the alphabet, kind of a strange thing. Because A kind of sounds like A, like maybe AY. And then B sounds like, bee, like honeybee. And then we have C, which sounds like, C, SEA. And then we have D, which sounds like, D, like someone named D. And then we have E, which is the 5th letter, E. E just sounds like E, ain't? And then we have F, the 6th letter, which sounds like EF. That's the first letter that we have where it's backwards, where it sounds like the E is before the letter, like F, F. It sounds like EF, F. And then we have G, G. It sounds like GEE, G. And then we have H. That's a weird one because it kind of sounds like maybe H, like EACH, or just ACH. And then we have I, which sounds like, your I, EYE, I. But you could say like I, IE, or. Then we have J, which is the letter of my first name, John. J. It sounds like J, like, JAY, J. And then we have K, which sounds like KAY, K. And then we have L, which sounds like EL, L. And then we have M, which sounds like EM, which I think is the. Let's see, that would be the first letter, F. Sounds like EF. H. No, that doesn't sound like E. That sounds more like H. Well, no, it does kind of sound like E. H. I. I. I sounds like EYE. I. That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have M, and then we'll have N. N sounds like EN, N, N. And then we have O, O sounds like OH. And then we have P, which sounds like, P. And then we have Q, which sounds like Q, right? Like clue, Q. And then we have R, kind of sounds like a pirate, ain't? R. And then we have S, kind of sounds like kind of sounds like there should be an H in there too, ain't? S. Yeah, it kind of sounds like S. That's interesting. And then we have T, so NOPQRST. Could be, like tea you drink, or this kind of tea you don't want to drink. And then you have the U, which sounds like, YOU or UGH, U. And then we have V, which sounds like V. And then we come to this letter, the most interesting letter out of all the letters in our alphabet, W, because it sounds like you're saying double U. So very intriguing. And then we have X, which sounds like EX. It also kind of sounds like X. Could sound like X, X, X. And then we have Y, which sounds like Y, right? Y. And then we have Z. I think that would be the end, ain't Z end? So, just a little breakdown of our alphabet. One word, but two words. All right, everyone. Peace, love, joy, and kindness to you all.